Welcome to our creative journey into the world of wooden art. In this video, we'll explore inspiring ideas that showcase the beauty and versatility of wood. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, these projects will spark your imagination and help you transform simple wooden materials into stunning pieces of art. Get ready to unleash your creativity and discover how to bring warmth and character into your home with unique wooden decor. Wooden art is a beautiful fusion of nature and creativity, offering endless possibilities for expression and innovation. The versatility of wood allows artists to explore various techniques, styles, and forms, transforming simple pieces of timber into extraordinary works of art. From intricate carvings to functional designs, wooden art can evoke emotions, tell stories, and bring warmth to any space. Whether you are an experienced artisan or a budding creator, the journey of crafting wooden art can be incredibly fulfilling. In this exploration of inspiring ideas, we will delve into a variety of creative wooden art projects that celebrate the beauty of this natural medium. Creating inspiring wooden art can be a fulfilling and creative endeavor. Here are some ideas to spark your imagination. 1. Wooden wall art. Create abstract designs or nature-inspired scenes using various types of wood. Incorporate different shades and textures by using reclaimed wood or painting sections. 2. Sculptural pieces. Carve or assemble wooden sculptures that reflect themes such as growth, transformation, or harmony. Consider using a mix of smooth and rough textures for contrast. 3. Functional art. Design furniture pieces that double as art, such as a coffee table with an intricate inlay or a bookshelf shaped like a tree. 4. Wooden mosaics. Use small pieces of wood in various colors and grains to create a mosaic artwork. This could be a landscape, abstract design, or a portrait. 5. Nature-inspired decor. Craft pieces that mimic natural. Creating inspiring wooden art can be a fulfilling and creative endeavor. Here are some ideas to spark your imagination. 1. Wooden wall art. Create abstract designs or nature-inspired scenes using various types of wood. Incorporate different shades and textures by using reclaimed wood or painting sections. 2. Sculptural pieces. Carve or assemble wooden sculptures that reflect themes such as growth, transformation, or harmony. Consider using a mix of smooth and rough textures for contrast. 3. Functional art. Design furniture pieces that double as art, such as a coffee table with an intricate inlay or a bookshelf shaped like a tree. 4. Wooden mosaics. Use small pieces of wood in various colors and grains to create a mosaic artwork. This could be a landscape, abstract design, or a portrait. 5. Nature-inspired decor. Craft pieces that mimic natural forms, like driftwood art, flower vases carved from logs, or wooden leaves and flowers. 6. Themed displays. Create themed wooden dioramas or shadow boxes that tell a story or depict a scene, such as a forest, beach, or cityscape. 7. Kinetic art. Explore the concept of movement by designing wooden mobiles or spinning sculptures that catch the eye. 8. Personalized keepsakes, make engraved wooden plaques or frames that commemorate special occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, or family milestones. 9. Wooden jewelry, craft unique jewelry pieces like earrings, necklaces, and bracelets from wood, incorporating natural shapes and finishes. 10. Interactive art, design pieces that invite interaction, such as puzzles made from wood or art installations where viewers can rearrange components. 11. Upcycled wood projects, transform old furniture or pallets into new art pieces, highlighting sustainability and creativity. 12. Whimsical characters, carve playful figures or animals that can serve as decor for children's rooms or playful garden art. Seasonal decor, create wooden decorations for different seasons or holidays, like ornaments for Christmas or carved pumpkins for Halloween. 14. Textured panels, experiment with layering different wood pieces to create textured wall panels that serve as a focal point in a room. 15. Storytelling through wood, use your art to tell a story. Each piece could represent a chapter or theme in a narrative that resonates with viewers. 16. Wooden planters, design artistic planters that showcase plants in creative ways, such as vertical gardens, hanging planters, or sculptural arrangements. 17. Artistic coasters, create a set of coasters with intricate designs or engravings. You can use different wood types to create a unique look and feel. 18. Wooden masks, carve or assemble masks inspired by various cultures, nature, or abstract concepts. These can be displayed on walls or worn for performances. 19. Engraved quotes, choose meaningful quotes and engrave them on wooden boards or plaques. These can serve as inspirational decor for homes or offices. 20. Wooden puzzles, design and cut intricate puzzles from wood that challenge the mind while also serving as decorative pieces when not in use. 21. Functional kitchen art, create artistic cutting boards, serving trays, or utensil holders that are both practical and visually appealing. 22. Nature scenes, assemble layered wooden landscapes that depict mountains, forests, or seascapes, using different wood pieces to represent various elements. 23. Shadow boxes, build shadow boxes that incorporate small wooden figures, natural elements, like twigs or leaves, and backgrounds to create three-dimensional scenes. 24. Wooden animals, carve realistic or stylized wooden animals, which can serve as standalone art pieces or part of a larger installation. 25. Sustainable art installations, use reclaimed wood to create large installations that raise awareness about sustainability and environmental issues. 26. Wooden jewelry boxes. Design ornate jewelry boxes with intricate carvings or inlays that make them beautiful as well as functional. 27. Interactive storyboards. Create a storyboard made from wood where viewers can change elements or add their own stories using movable pieces. 28. Carved candle holders. Make unique candle holders that feature intricate designs, allowing the warm glow of candles to enhance the wood's beauty. 29. Musical instruments. Explore the world of woodworking by crafting simple musical instruments like ukuleles, marimbas, or wooden shakers. 30. Wooden wind chimes. Design wind chimes using various lengths and shapes of wood to create beautiful sounds when the wind blows. 31. Mixed media art. Combine wood with other materials like metal, glass, or fabric to create mixed media art pieces that offer a unique perspective. 32. Wooden maps. Create detailed topographical maps of your favorite places using layers of wood to represent elevation changes and landmarks. 33. Seasonal wall hangings. Craft wall hangings that reflect the seasons, using natural elements like leaves in autumn or flowers in spring. 34. Artistic bookends. Design unique bookends that not only serve a practical purpose but also function as artistic statements on a shelf. 35. Celtic knots and patterns. Explore traditional designs like Celtic knots or mandalas, carving them into wooden panels for intricate wall art. 36. Wooden games. Create classic games like chess, checkers, or backgammon with beautifully crafted wooden pieces and boards. 37. Nature impressions. Press leaves, flowers, or other natural elements into soft wood to create textured impressions that celebrate nature's beauty. 38. Personalized family trees. Craft a family tree display using wooden branches and engraved names or photos of family members. 39. Wooden signs. Make personalized signs for homes, gardens, or businesses with custom lettering and designs that reflect the owner's style. 40. Artistic furniture accents. Add artistic elements to furniture pieces, like carved drawer pulls or decorative legs, that elevate everyday items into art. These ideas can be tailored to your personal style and interests, providing endless possibilities for creativity with wood as your medium. Thank you for joining us on this creative adventure in wooden art. We hope these inspiring ideas have sparked your imagination and encouraged you to try your hand at crafting your own unique pieces. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to working with wood. Don't forget to share your creations with us, and subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects. Happy crafting!